Life. It is time for another TikTok Made Me Try It. And today, Lauren, we're kind of doing like the life hack edition.
Yes.
Paige and I have tried a lot of various food combinations over the past year, just about. And some of them winners, some of them not. But these are just some little life hacks that, especially if you don't have like the chip clip or like the bread tie twisty on hand, because like
We lose that.
Yeah,
Yes.
immediately.
The dog eats it. It drops off the counter. It's gone.
Something you sweep it up and
Yes.
it is gone to the abyss of the universe and never to be seen again. So you're like, darn it, how am I going to keep this bread fresh?
Yes.
So we found a couple of life hacks for you, and we're going to try them out to see if they work.
Yes.
I'm going to start with the easy one.
The bread one.
The bread one. So this is for if you don't have your bread tie, case in point, but you still want to keep your bread fresh. A lot of times I'm big on like, I do the twist and then just hope that the weight keeps it fresh, and like it never does. And every time I'm like, oh, why is it moldy?
Right.
This will help prevent that. So the idea is you twist your bread like you normally would if you're lazy. And then you only have to do a couple twists. And then rather than folding it over itself like that, you open the top here and you kind of fold it over itself like this. And you just kind of
Look at
pull it
that.
down.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, that's pretty secure. Like that's not going.
It's not really going anywhere.
Unrolling.
The air's not getting in. I mean, you
Yeah.
could probably do a better job pressing the air out first than I did, but we're never experts when it comes to our TikTok Made Me Try It segment. But I wish I had learned this like 3 days ago when I had bread at home
You still
that
have
needed a bread tie.
right.
Lauren's got the more complicated one, but
Yes.
it is the more life-saving hack, I would say.
Right. There's a lot. I feel like there's a lot of chip bag hacks.
There are quite a few out
Different
there.
ways to fold it.
And I
without the clip.
remember my friend showed me one once, and I had yet to master it. So like, I think I can't tell if I've been overcomplicating it, or if
right.
I'm just really bad at it.
Well, this one, they folded. Okay, two ways like that, and they folded it down the back side. So little folds down the back side.
So you do
And then
corner.
You've got these two corner flaps on this side.
Uh-huh.
And then it said you kind of fold it back over itself. I mean,
Ooh.
what?
Ooh,
Okay.
okay.
I mean, that wasn't too bad. I feel like you'd become faster at it if you're
I think the more
snacking on a
practice-
big bag the whole time. But
Yeah, but I feel like this is like a
Wow.
great hack, especially for moms, when, you pack the
Yes.
kids up, you got chips, you go to the park, and like, you forgot the chip clips.
Right.
Or, you forgot a rubber band, because
you
that's
don't
what
just
I
want
always
to throw it in the
get.
bag because all the chips are going to
Yeah. And kids are also terrible at closing stuff. So
Yes, for sure.
if you don't want
That's pretty
stale
simple.
chips next time.
And I feel like, let's see if it's easy to.
And then,
Yeah.
do you mind showing it again one more
Yeah,
time?
let's do it.
Because
All right, so it was like, so you don't want to do it like you're about to fly an airplane, like a big
Okay.
airplane. It looked like the folds are pretty long.
okay,
So fold like this, and then don't fold forward, fold
so you don't need a
backward.
point. You need
Yeah. So fold backward, little rolls, and then you've got these two
flaps.
flaps. It's a good word.
Okay.
Fold them over to the other side. Boom.
There we go.
That's impressive.
That is impressive. I
Love
feel
the
like
TikTok.
this is where you're like, okay, this is why it's a useful tool to get through
Yes.
life. It doesn't all have to be bad. There's useful stuff on the internet. This is
Yeah.
people using the big brain and all that endless knowledge we
Right.
have available to us. So if you want to keep your stuff fresh and you don't have your clips or rubber bands or anything on hand, there you go. Hopefully they still help keep your stuff, make it last just a little bit longer.
Yeah.
We do have a little bit more Coast Life to get to, though. We've got more of that coming your way in just a minute.